In this section, we're going to put into practice the knowledge we have learned about data binding by creating a fun game. It is the Hangman game. We're going to create this application from scratch, and this is what we're seeing on the screen. We have different graphical elements such as the number of errors we have made. We have an image that shows us how many mistakes we have made in the game. There is also a label control that will show us which word we have to guess, which letters we have discovered, and we also have a button that allows us to reset the game. Finally, we have a set of buttons that will allow us to guess the word. I will press some letters so you can see how it works. Once we press a letter, it is automatically locked so that we cannot press it again. Let's try to guess this word. And in this case, for example, I lost. Look how automatically, as soon as we reach 6 errors, which is the maximum number of errors allowed, automatically the image changes. In the same way, we get a message indicating that we lost, and all the letters are locked so that we can no longer press them again. We can click on the reset button, and I will try to guess a second word. In the case of a win, a message will appear indicating that we won. This is then the application that we're going to create throughout this section. It is quite entertaining application that will allow us to practice the concepts of data binding. Besides, you will learn about bindable layout. Let's start with the creation of this game.